Dive into a world where what you eat can make a big difference in how well your kidneys work. Did you know that the kidneys, those superstars of waste removal and fluid balance, need some love too? And guess what? The love language of kidneys is food. Let's talk about a food that's both tasty and kiddie-friendly: blueberries. Picture those little blue powerhouses bursting with flavors and health benefits. They're like the superheroes of the fruit world. With their incredible antioxidants like anthocyanins, they're on the front lines, battling inflammation and oxidative stress. Two big bad wolves that can trouble our kidneys. And that's not all. Their low sodium content and high water ratio make them champions for maintaining a healthy blood pressure and fluid balance, both vital for our kidneys. So, the next time you munch on blueberries, remember you're not just delighting your taste buds, you're also giving a big thumbs up to your kidneys. Let's embark on this delicious journey together, exploring more foods that make your kidneys say, "Thank you." All right, continuing our culinary journey through kidney-loving foods, let's talk about a cool contender: cucumbers. Think of a cucumber as a spa treatment for your kidneys. Crunchy, packed with hydration, and absolutely refreshing. These green wonders are nature's way of telling us to stay cool and hydrated. The high water content and negligible sodium in cucumbers help your kidneys in their daily detox routine, flushing out the nasties. Plus, they come packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. That's a lot of goodness in one cool crunch. So, the next bite of cucumber you take isn't just a hydration boost, it's a pat on the back for your kidneys. And now, onto a veggie that's been taking the culinary world by storm: the mighty cauliflower. This isn't just any regular vegetable, it's like a multitasking wizard in the world of kidney health. Low on potassium and phosphorus, this fluffy white wonder makes sure it doesn't burden your kidneys. Its robust fiber content gives a nod to good digestion, while its antioxidants are like tiny soldiers fighting off inflammation and oxidative stress. And guess what? You can have it roasted, mashed, or tossed in a stir-fry. Every bite of cauliflower isn't just a treat to your taste buds, but also a declaration of love to your kidneys. So next time you plate up some cauliflower, know that you're serving up a dish of health and love for those ever-working kidneys of yours. All right, diving deeper into our delectable menu for kidney health, let's set sail with fish. Imagine a plate of perfectly grilled salmon or a sumptuous mackerel steak. Not only are these dishes a treat for the palate, but they're also like a care package for your kidneys. These swimmers come with high-quality protein, which is like a renovation team for tissue repair. But that's not the end of their resume. The omega-3 fatty acids in fish are akin to protective guards, stepping in to reduce inflammation and ensuring that the blood flows just right. They're the unsung heroes maintaining a harmonious balance for your kidneys' well-being. Plus, with low saturated fats, fish dishes are like a double win, cheering for both heart and kidney health. In essence, indulging in fish isn't just a culinary delight. It's also a commitment to lifelong kidney wellness. Now let's whisk away to the Mediterranean shores and talk about the liquid gold: olive oil. Imagine drizzling this aromatic oil over a salad or a piece of fresh bread. It's not just about the luscious taste, it's a whole lot more. Olive oil wears multiple hats. It's a guardian of heart health, a shield against inflammation, and a protector of those tiny yet essential blood vessels, all of which indirectly roll out the red carpet for your kidney's optimal performance. It's rich in antioxidants, which are like nature's own cleaning crew, ensuring your kidneys are freed from the harmful effects of oxidative stress. And with its anti-inflammatory prowess, it's like giving your kidneys a gentle, reassuring hug. So each time you reach for that bottle of olive oil, remember, you're not just adding flavor, but also pouring out a dose of good health for your kidneys. Cheers to that! Let's keep the culinary journey alive and kick off with a star that's more than just a flavor enhancer: the mighty garlic. Think of it as the unsung hero in your kitchen. Always there, always aromatic, and always loaded with kidney-loving qualities. This bulb is like a little packet of wonders, with its allicin content acting as a shield against oxidative stress and inflammation. But wait, it doesn't just stop there. Garlic is also a vigilant guardian of your blood pressure, ensuring it stays in the optimal range for kidney health. So whenever you're mincing or smashing this flavorful bulb, remember, you're also sprinkling some love on your kidneys. Now let's talk about onions, the tear-jerking gems of the culinary world. These bulbs aren't just about adding zest to your dishes. They come with a pocketful of benefits for the kidneys. Their low potassium content means they're especially considerate of your kidney's workload, The antioxidants and flavonoids in onions are like wellness warriors, guarding against inflammation and ensuring everything runs smoothly. And with a dash of chromium, they've got your back when it comes to maintaining blood sugar levels. In essence, adding onions to your dishes is like giving your kidneys a reassuring nod of appreciation. Last but not least, let's take a crunchy bite of the universal favorite, apples. The saying goes, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But it might as well be, an apple a day keeps the kidneys okay. These juicy wonders are like nature's candy, filled with fiber that promotes digestion and that satisfying fullness. With a natural guard of antioxidants, they ensure your kidneys are shielded from harmful oxidative stress. Plus, their low potassium content is a silent nod to kidney health. And the cherry on top, they assist in balancing blood sugar levels, minimizing any potential kidney complications. So when you bite into that crisp apple, remember, it's more than just a sweet treat. It's a pact of health and well-being for your kidneys. All right, as we wrap up our scrumptious kidney-friendly menu, let's make a toast with a glass of cranberry juice. Cranberries aren't just festive. They're like the unsung guardians of the urinary world. These dazzling red berries come loaded with the power to fend off those pesky urinary tract infections, UTIs, which are notorious for causing kidney troubles. How? They've got this super ability to prevent unwelcome bacteria from setting up camp in your urinary tract. So each time you indulge in these tangy fruits or sip on their juice, you're not just delighting your taste buds, but also giving your urinary system and kidneys some much-needed love. Now, while we've sung praises of our kidney-friendly superstars, it's equally essential to know the villains in this story. Just as in any epic tale, our heroes, kidneys, face some adversaries. Processed foods, and those brimming with sodium, excessive animal proteins, and foods rich in phosphorus and potassium can be challenging for our kidney heroes. Think of it as a balancing act. While we load up on the good, we should tread lightly with the potentially harmful. Nourishing your kidneys is like sending them a thank you note for all the hard work they do daily. And it's not just about the cranberries or the garlic, it's the collective effort of blueberries, bell peppers, cauliflower, fish, olive oil, onions, and apples. However, remember, we're all unique, just like our dietary needs. Always give a quick ring to your healthcare professional when in doubt to tailor the best meal plan for you. With mindful eating and a splash of knowledge, you're not just eating, you're setting the stage for a healthy, kidney-happy life. Cheers to that! In our gastronomic voyage, we've navigated through the vast oceans of kidney-friendly foods, each with its unique nutritional palette designed to fortify and nurture our kidneys. These essential organs, often taken for granted, silently perform their functions, filtering, detoxifying, and maintaining our body's delicate balance. Every food we've discussed, from the tangy cranberries to the versatile onions, underscores the symbiotic relationship between nature's bounty and human health. Yet, our journey isn't merely about understanding individual foods, but grasping the intricate tapestry they weave together. It's about recognizing that our dietary choices can either be an elixir or a poison. While we've celebrated the heroes of kidney health, we've also shed light on potential adversaries, emphasizing the need for balance, moderation, and knowledge in our culinary decisions. Furthermore, understanding the complexities of the human body and its myriad needs underscores the importance of personalized guidance. As with any journey, while a map provides direction, personal insights, and expert advice tailor the path most suitable for us. In conclusion, our health, especially the well-being of our kidneys, is a testament to the age-old adage, "You are what you eat." It's a culmination of conscious choices, a dance between the nutrients we consume and the wellness we seek. It's a holistic approach where knowledge, mindfulness, and appreciation coalesce, urging us to cherish our bodies, savor nature's delights, and navigate the intricate, beautiful journey of life with health and vitality.